Welcome to Lifeline HMS. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the dashboard basics, from logging in and adjusting settings to adding departments, doctors, and appointments, so you can get started right away. To access the dashboard, first visit the Lifeline HMS website and click Login at the top right corner. If you've already signed up, you'll see the dashboard button right here. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. You can watch our separate tutorial on how to sign up for the 2-month free trial to get started. This is the main dashboard. It provides a quick snapshot of your hospital's activity, including total patients, upcoming appointments, and revenue. Before you begin using the system, it's a good idea to review your basic settings. Go to Settings in the top right corner. In General Configurations, you can customize your hospital name, its logo, time zone, currency, support email, and contact information. In the same settings area, you'll also find additional configuration sections. In Shift Management, you can set up working hours, staff shifts, and duty timings. To add a shift, simply click the Add Shift button, fill in the shift name and timing details, and then click Add. The new shift will now appear in your list. Payment Gateway allows you to set up your preferred payment method for smooth billing and transactions. In Modules, you can enable or disable specific modules based on your facility's needs. In the Billing tab, you can choose how your facility subscribes to Lifeline HMS. There are 2 plan options you can choose from. Once subscribed, you will see your payment history and card details in this section. Next, open Master Control from the side menu and go to Departments. Here, you'll notice that some common departments are already listed. If you want to add a new department, click the Add Department button on the top side. Enter the department name, add an optional description, and click Submit. Your newly added department will now appear in the list and will be ready to use across other modules. Right after Departments is Designations. In Designations, you can create specific job roles for each department. For example, in the cardiology department, you can add roles like surgeon, medical officer, or technician. To add designation, click Add Designation, enter the role name and a short description, then click Submit. The new designation will appear in the list right away, ready to be assigned to doctors, nurses, or other staff when creating their profiles. Next to designation is Services. Here you can manage all the medical or diagnostic services your facility offers, like X-rays, blood tests, or consultation. To add a new service, click the Add Service button on the top right corner, enter the service name, price, expected time, and a brief description, then click Add. Medicine section is used to track the medicines prescribed in the clinic. If you have the pharmacy module enabled, you'll get additional features and details. Check out our pharmacy tutorial for more information. Go to Users section to manage hospital personnel. Click on Add Doctor to open the form. You can simply select the type of user you want to add and fill in the required details. Start by entering the doctor's basic personal details. Add full name, date of birth, email, government ID, gender, and contact number. Make sure the information is accurate. Next, fill in the professional details that define the doctor's role in the hospital. Select the department from the list. Then add designation from the previously added designations. Add a new designation for any role not yet listed, like a specialist or staff position. It will appear in the list for future use, saving you time. Assign a receptionist to manage appointments. Then enter the joining date, assign the shift, and select the weekdays the doctor will be available. Set up the doctor's appointment fee, slot duration, and add their salary with the appropriate payroll type. This ensures smooth billing and accurate payroll management. Next, provide the doctor's address to keep their records up to date. Enter the street address, city, state, postal code, country, and phone number. Double-check all the details before saving the profile. Click on Submit to complete the process. A confirmation message will appear, and the doctor will now be listed in the doctor's directory. You can always view or update these details later, using the Edit option right in front of the added user. The same steps apply when adding other users, such as nurses, staff members, receptionists, or patients. You can view all personnel collectively in the All Users section, or access them individually through their respective categories. From the left-hand menu, click on Appointments to open the Appointments dashboard. Here you can view all scheduled appointments in a list or calendar format. To schedule a new appointment, click the Create Appointment button at the top right of the screen. This will open the appointment creation form. Start by entering the basic appointment information. Select Patient. Choose the registered patient from the drop-down list. Pick the relevant department, such as neurology, cardiology, pediatrics from the list. Once the department is chosen, select the doctor to assign to this appointment. Enter a brief title, such as migraine follow-up or routine checkup. Then choose the desired appointment date. If the doctor is not available on the selected date, the system will prompt you to choose another date when the doctor is available. Optionally, include a short note describing the purpose or reason for the visit. Pick the available time slot that matches the doctor's working hours. In the Services section, choose the specific medical service or procedure the appointment covers. For example, initial neurology consultation or EEG test. You can select multiple services if needed. Next, move to the Payment section to record billing information. Choose how the patient will pay, such as cash, card, or online payment. The total fee for the selected services will appear here. Enter any applicable discount if offered. Record the amount received at the time of booking. The system will automatically calculate any remaining balance. You can also print the appointment slip or display a striped QR code for payment processing. Review the information for accuracy. Click Submit to create the appointment. The appointment will be successfully added to the system, and both the doctor and patient will receive an email notification with the appointment details. The duty roster helps you organize staff schedules by assigning them to the shifts you've created. You can easily view, edit, and manage who is on duty for each department and day, ensuring smooth operations and proper staff coverage. Lastly, you can access detailed reports, manage staff leave requests by approving or rejecting them, and add official holidays to the calendar to keep operations running smoothly. That's it. You now know how to set up settings, manage master control, add users, schedule appointments, organize duty rosters, and view reports. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials to help you get familiar with Lifeline HMS.